Hi, my name is Saxon and I'm from Wild Oak Trail. We're going to go over the Mango Power E and how this may be a perfect fit for you for an RV, for off-grid living, or simply as a backup power for your house or even having a backyard party. As you can see, we've got quite a few things stacked up here, so we're going to go over how this load works. One of the main advantages of this unit is it actually does 3,000 watts of continuous use and it has a 6,000 watt surge. However, it can do 3,700 watts and under for 5 minutes. So between 3,000 watts and 3,700, it can do that for 5 minutes continuous. And you're gonna see how that comes in handy, especially when we have a 14,000 BTU air conditioner, a window one, while we have the microwave going at the same time. And everything here will run with a little bit of room to spare, which is very, very handy. With the 30 amp plug, as you can see, that also allows you to tap in either to your transfer switch that comes from your breaker box in home or right into your RV. So there is 2,000 watts of solar that you can charge. Your voltage has to be between 60 and 150 and your amperage is 20 amps for your solar panels. And we've made some other videos of our unboxing, but you can find all that on the side here. And that's where we've also got our AC plugs as well. These are expandable. You can see this here. So if 3,000 watts of continuous use isn't going to be up your alley, you put two of them together and you actually get 6,000 watts. The cool thing with that is you can actually get 240 split phase. That's how you start running your dryer, start running your stove, and the power is endless. You can actually pair this up with two additional, or one battery per unit, and you can have two units together, meaning that you'd have 4 batteries in total, which would give you 14,000 watts or 14 kilowatts, which is just more power than most people need. The unit itself weighs 100 pounds. Not going to wheel it around here, but comes with a very, very handy, what do you call this, like a luggage pull, and on top of that, really good rugged wheels as well. And as you can see, yes, 100 pounds is a lot, but I was able to get it on this table, which is nice just for being able to move it around. The running noise that you'll see as well, when it's got no load, it's 40 decibels. And when it's running a high load, as we're gonna see soon, it's only 51 decibels. That's the equivalent to a really high-end dishwasher. So let's go ahead and turn this on. So the way we do that is, we just hold this down for 1 second. Takes a moment, and we should see the light turn on, and there we go. It's gonna boot up. Has a really nice touch screen here. Shows us everything we're doing. Also has an app, and we'll make a video of how to use the app as well, but it's very intuitive and very easy. Where you would want the app is, it should say it works with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and so that means that if you've got an RV, you can be sitting in a camping chair and not have to go see how your RV is doing for power. You can see it right from your phone. You can also turn on the AC and DC right from your phone. And you're gonna see here that we actually have the ability to do that as well. So we have no inverters running right now. So let's go ahead and turn on the DC. And what you're gonna see is, I don't know about you guys, but we have children. In a power outage, what's really nice is being able to play some Mario Party. So we've got 4 controllers, 2 charging, and then we've also got the unit itself. And then we've got a laptop, you gotta be able to do some work, and we've got a phone, because that's how you keep in touch with people during an emergency. So we go ahead and turn that on. You can see we've powered up right away. We've got some lights here. The phone shows that it's charging. And pretty soon we're gonna see this climbing. And you'll see that this has a 100 watt charger and a 65 watt charger for your USB-Cs. And for your USB-As, they're all quick charge 3.0 24 watts, which is very, very handy. We do have your typical 12 volt 10 amp plug as well. My finger accidentally turned that off. We've been playing around with this. So we got it out of the box at 72. I charged it for a little bit and got it up to 85. And then off camera, we've been playing around with it. So we're down to 67. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the AC. So that's how you do your 120 plugs. That light just turned on. So we've got all plugs going on here. The phone is charging now. I know I said before, but I changed up my ports. So it's actually charging from here. We've got a light here. you just heard the microwave turn on. And now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna turn on the air conditioner. I've set it to, you'll see it at 19 degrees Celsius, which is 66 Fahrenheit. Us being Canadian, I gotta throw that in there. And so I'm just gonna turn this on to the max fan and to the coolest it can go. We're just gonna give that a second. While that's starting to load up, what's really nice about these batteries is not only does this system have a 5-year comprehensive warranty, the batteries themselves are by CATL. Those are the same batteries that are in the Tesla, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW EVs, and they come with a 10-year warranty. So you have a great warranty for not only the units itself, but for the batteries. And now that we've got this all jumped up, we can take a look. The air conditioner is running at almost full capacity, and so we'll just come over here. This is the only thing we have plugged in that would be drawing a ton would be the air conditioner. So we're up to 1500 watts now. And then we still have the phone and the light. The light is a 9-watt bulb and the phone is drawing about 10. So all of the rest is from the AC. So let's go ahead and turn on the microwave now. I'm gonna put it for 1 minute to heat up some water. You might want to do a kettle, but this shows that this is something that you can do. And we'll go ahead here, and right by it, you can see that the microwave is on, and you'll be able to very easily see that so is the wattage, and it's gone up to about 3,500 watts. And so this is great because we got 5 minutes at 3,700 if you're doing a heavy load. Now, the chances of you doing this are very, very slim, but I just wanted to show you that you can have a 14,000 BTU air conditioner running a microwave for less than 5 minutes, charging a 100-watt laptop, charging a Nintendo Switch, controllers for the Nintendo Switch, a phone, and having a lamp, because you need a lamp to see what you're doing. And we've got tons of other plugs that we can easily see. And so as you can see, either the air conditioner is probably drawing down or the microwave is, but we're now down below 3,500 watts. And we're done with the microwave, and we hop right back down to the safe volume of under 3,000 watts. We started off at 67%, we're down to 34. We've used, or sorry, 64%. We've used a very, very heavy load, and everything is working well. And as I mentioned, the decibels, you can't even hear the fan on this. And which is very nice. So that means that if you're using this at nighttime with a CPAP machine and you like it to be dead quiet, you don't have to worry about this. Your CPAP machine will make more noise or equivalent noise than what your Mango Power E will be doing. With these batteries being from CATL and being LFP, that means that you get 6,000 charges before it goes down to 70%. What that means is that you get roughly 16 years if you were to deplete this on a daily basis and recharge it back up again. And so when it hits 70%, that doesn't mean that it goes to zero. That just means that you have a 3,500 watt battery capability. So you're gonna get roughly 2,400 watts of battery storage. But your inverter still stays the same. You're still able to output your 3,000 watts with a 6,000 watt surge. So you can know that you've made a great investment and that you got quality batteries with quality parts. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 1-844-945-3625. We're also available at wildoaktrail.com by chat, and you can also email us at customersupport@wildoaktrail.com. We hope to earn your business, and thank you for watching.